AI doesn't understand language the way we do. It understands numbers. So today, I'm going to show you how we convert words into vectors using simple word embeddings, and how this helps AI understand meaning as well as context. So let's get into it. First, we install GenSim, which is a popular library for word embeddings. Word embeddings usually learn from real sentences, but for simplicity and clarity, we're using pre-tokenized tiny list of words, just like the tokenized output that I showed in my previous NLP video. These tiny lists are treated as mini sentences. The model will learn relationships like king is related to queen and Paris to France from these examples. Now we train the word to vec model using this data. So here's what these settings mean. Vector size is the number of dimensions for each word vector. So a 3-dimensional word vector will have 3 numbers within the vector. A 2-dimensional word vector will have simply 2 numbers within the vector. Words with similar meanings have vectors close together in this multi-dimensional space, which we also call the embedding space. Window is how many nearby words the model looks at to understand context. In our setting, window is set to 2. That means for king, queen, as well as man will be for context. Moving on, min count is set to 1. This simply ignores words that appear fewer times than what we configure here, which is 1. Workers is the number of CPU threads that will be used to train this model. Now let's see the vector for a single word. This is how AI sees the word king, not as text, but as a series of numbers that capture context. The following is a famous example. King minus man plus woman equals to queen. Let's give it a try. Let's print this out. This shows how the embedding space captures relationships. So that's the basics of word embeddings. We train a model, it builds a vector for each word. Similar words end up close together in the embedding space, and relationships appear naturally. This is how AI starts to understand meaning before transformers do the heavy lifting. Thank you, and follow for more.